Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to pass a one-dimensional array of string using pointer reference to a function. So in the last lecture we have seen how to pass a character array using pointer to a function. In this lecture we are going to see how to pass a one-dimensional array that will be having strings and using pointer to that particular array how to pass it to a function. So I felt sometimes these techniques students used to find a little bit difficult, so I have come up with this idea of demonstrating this problem. So here, as usual, in the main function I have taken one array A which is of 10 by 10, although it is two-dimensional array, but here the character array that I am talking about is one dimensional. Okay, so this character array in the array of string function, this is a pointer to an array, so pointer to an array of 10 characters. And so here in this process I'll be able to print all the strings. Okay, and here I'll be scanning the strings. So basically it needs two-dimensional array to access all the strings. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, I'm going to take, let us say, 5 or 4 strings from the user, and the reference will be 1D array only. So here the reference, pointer reference, this is a pointer to an 1D array of 10 characters. So first I'll be scanning the array. Here also 1D array only I'm scanning. So let's see how it works. And then finally I'll be passing the array name and then the length, the number, how many strings you want. Let us say I want 4 strings or 3 strings. That will be taken care of by this n. So because of that I have taken 2 array. However, here in the function array of string function we have references only 1D, one dimensional character array. Okay, so let's run it, you will understand. So compilation has been done successfully. Now run it. So how many strings you want to scan? Let's say I want to scan 3 strings. So first one is, let's say, Ram, second one is Sham, and third one is, let's say, Yadu. So all strings are as below: Ram, Sham, Yadu. Okay, so this is an interesting observation by which interesting program through which you can understand that number of string using an one-dimensional array, we can pass it to a function and then finally we can print it, and that referencing can be happened through using pointer. So I hope you have liked the lecture. Thanks for watching.